Welcome back to my channel. In this video, how to remove your connected apps in Gmail account through mobile phone. First of all, open any search engine in your mobile. Then write Google account in search box. Click the Google account. Then it will display the right corner Google account option. Click it. Click the right corner. There are many mail IDs. You will choose anyone on your phone. It will time taking process. Please wait. Search for security option. Then click it. Scroll down slowly. Then you will see the third party apps. Click the see all connections. There are 7 total apps display on this screen. Click first app. Then click delete all connection option. Click the confirm option. Then it will be automatically disabled. Applying same process for remaining apps. Finally, click see all connections. It will show 0 total apps and services. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.